Hello, and welcome to our lesson on project monitoring and project control. This segment will continue to cover project control. For each work package, gathering data on actual costs and work progress is a periodic activity entered into the Project Control and Accounting System, PCAS, or Project Management Information Systems, PMIS. Functional managers or team supervisors overseeing work packages are responsible for assessing work progress every week. Supervisors compile labor hours spent on each task based on time cards, noting completed, open tasks, and the estimated time required to finish open tasks. However, measuring work progress is not straightforward. While costs and time elapsed are easily quantifiable, they do not convey much about the progress toward completing the project. Hence, reliance on subjective estimates becomes necessary with several conventional methods: supervision, direct observation, questioning and review of reports, and project documentation by managers and supervisors. Milestones, easily measurable endpoints or transition points between tasks that signify critical achievements. Tests and demonstrations, objective measures of technical progress achieved through various testing stages. Design reviews, meetings to assess, design progress against the plan with managers and technical personnel. Outside experts, external assessment by experts through observation, discussions with project personnel, and documentation review. Status of design, documentation. Evaluation of design completeness through drawings, schematics, and manuals. Resource utilization. Changes or resource requests may reflect progress, especially for tasks nearing completion. Telltale tasks. If delayed, specific tasks happening early or midway may signify a lack of progress. Benchmarking or analogy. Comparison of tasks or the entire project to similar ones to gauge relative progress. Changes, bugs, and rework. Measures of progress based on the rate of changes, bugs, and rework. Collecting cost, schedule, and work progress data. While data on completed or ongoing work unveils existing or emerging problems, anticipating problems is equally crucial, incorporating elements from the risk management plan, personal observations, and informal discussions with team members. Estimates or schedule changes for remaining work are documented, and a revised report is prepared weekly. This ongoing review aids in the following: reassessing the project, preparing estimates for remaining work and costs, and forecasting the completion date and project cost at completion. Upon completing a task or work package, the project manager closes its cost account and any associated budget reserve to prevent unauthorized billing. In project control, the primary focus is managing project scope, quality, schedule, procurement, and cost effectively. Projects inherently tend to expand over time due to changes and additions in scope, a phenomenon known as scope creep. Scope changes, representing requirements and work definition alterations, typically result in time and cost escalations. Scope change control aims to identify and assess the necessity or benefits of changes, limit changes where possible, and oversee their implementation. Given that alterations in scope directly impact schedules and costs, controlling scope changes is a pivotal aspect of schedule and cost control. Quality control involves managing the work to meet contracted or desired requirements and specifications. It includes preventive measures to keep errors and mistakes out of the work process and identify and eliminate sources of errors and mistakes. Various testing and inspection methods eliminate defects and ensure that end items meet requirements. To address quality problems, whether unique or repetitive, the project manager may appoint a quality improvement team. This small group is tasked with identifying and eliminating the sources of quality issues. The primary goal of schedule control is to ensure that the project adheres to its schedule, minimizing the occurrence of schedule overruns. Even in meticulously planned projects, unforeseen factors, such as necessary changes in project scope, weather-related challenges, and material shortages, can lead to delays. The following guidelines help manage schedule variability and keep projects on track. Use time buffers. A time buffer acts as a schedule reserve, accommodating uncertainties in completion time. Fight tendency to multitask. Avoid interrupting work on a specific task or project by mixing it with tasks from other projects. This approach reduces the total elapsed time for completing work and avoids worker confusion. Frequently report activity status. Reporting the status of each activity daily is crucial. Knowing the remaining time to complete and the earliest date for successor activities to begin ensures efficient coordination. Publicize consequences of schedule. Delays and benefits of early finish. Informing team members, subcontractors, and suppliers about the repercussions of schedule, overruns, and the potential rewards for early completion is essential. Incentive payments in the project contract or budget allocations for bonus payments can motivate timely project completion. The main contractor bears responsibility for the quality, schedule, and cost of all procured items in the project. Regular visits to supplier facilities, ongoing monitoring of supplier progress, and frequent status reports ensure compliance with requirements. Contingency plans, including provisions for transferring work to alternative suppliers in case of significant issues, should be prepared for primary outsourced material, equipment, and components. These contingencies align with the procurement plan and the project risk plan. Cost control involves tracking expenditures against budgets, detecting variances, eliminating unauthorized expenditures, and containing cost changes. It operates at both the work package and project levels, utilizing control accounts and the Project Cost Accounting System, PCAS. The PCAS tallies, validates, and accumulates actual expenditures, enabling periodic reviews by the project manager to assess the project's financial status and estimate completion costs and dates. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. In the next segment, we shall discuss Project Change Control. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening and see you in our next segment.